Welcome to our Medholics channel, where we bring you the latest information on living a healthy life. From fitness tips to nutritious recipes, we have everything you need to achieve your health goals. It's important to take care of your body, both physically and mentally. We'll be covering everything from the latest breakthroughs in cancer research to simple lifestyle changes that can help prevent chronic diseases. Our expert contributors will share their insights on the latest medical breakthroughs and offer practical advice on living a healthier life. Our goal is to help you make informed decisions about your health so you can live your best life. Join us on our Medholics channel, and let's work together to achieve a healthier you. Subscribe to our channel today.